In this video, we are going to explore command line shortcuts. These are keyboard shortcuts designed to significantly speed up your terminal workflow, making you more efficient and productive when working with the command line. Let's begin with navigation shortcuts. These shortcuts help you move around the command line quickly. Ctrl+A moves the cursor to the beginning of the line. Ctrl+E moves the cursor to the end of the line. Alt+B moves the cursor back one word. Alt+F moves the cursor forward one word. Ctrl+X, X, toggles between the start of the line and your current cursor position. Now let's discuss editing shortcuts, which allow you to modify text in the terminal efficiently. Ctrl+U cuts the text from the cursor position to the start of the line. Ctrl+K cuts the text from the cursor position to the end of the line. Ctrl+W cuts the word before the cursor. Ctrl+Y pastes the text that was previously cut. Alt+D deletes the word after the cursor. Next, we'll cover history shortcuts. These are essential for navigating and reusing previous commands. Ctrl+R lets you search through your command history using reverse I search. Ctrl+G exits the history search mode. The up and down arrow keys allow you to navigate through your command history. Alt+symbol uses the last word of the previous command. Exclamation mark repeats the last command. Let's explore process control shortcuts, which are useful for managing running processes. Ctrl+C interrupts or kills the current process. Ctrl+Z suspends the current process. Ctrl+D signifies the end of file or exits the current shell. For example, if you start a ping command like ping google.com, you can press Ctrl+Z to suspend it. Then by typing FG and pressing Enter, the process resumes in the foreground. Now let's look at terminal control shortcuts for managing the terminal display. Ctrl+L clears the screen, which is the same as typing the clear command. Ctrl+S stops the output to the screen, which is useful when viewing a long output. Ctrl+Q resumes the output to the screen. For instance, if you are viewing a large file using CAT, you can use Ctrl+S to pause the output, Ctrl+Q to resume, and Ctrl+C to cancel the command. Now we will learn some advanced history tricks. These history expansion shortcuts can save you even more time. $$ uses the last argument of the previous command. $, followed by the number n, executes the command number n from history. $, followed by a string, executes the most recent command starting with that string. For example, if you create a directory using dir pprojects/new website, and then type cd $, it expands to cd projects/new website. Similarly, typing $cd executes the most recent command starting with cd. Command line shortcuts dramatically increase your productivity in the terminal. With practice, these shortcuts become second nature and save you valuable time. To help master these shortcuts, create a cheat sheet of your most used shortcuts. Practice one new shortcut each day. Consider customizing your shell with additional shortcuts and explore tools like readline to discover even more shortcuts. By incorporating these tips, you'll become a command line master in no time. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.